Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to this live. How is everybody doing? And have you started with your 75-day identity shift challenge? But just try to understand and try to think about it. It is identity shift. You will be the person who you want to be, and then you're doing the things which you want to do it to achieve your goal, and you can have everything what you really want to have. Isn't it interesting? And if you're not able to understand and want more details on what is this be, do, have concept, then you want to reach me and you want to ask me, Geeta, what is this be, do, have concept? What do you mean you want to be the person? What do you mean you want to do the things? And what do you mean what I'm going to have? So I want to share lot of experiences since yesterday, and it's been amazing, and I'm so grateful and I feel so blessed and I'm so thankful to God that I was able to start this challenge. This thought came to my intuition, and then it is on execution, and so many of you can take advantage of this and really make a difference before this year end, and you can literally have so many things achieved just because of this consistency challenge just before this year end, before the holiday season. And I promise you, things can happen extremely easily than you are thinking. I am just getting started, and I'm not saying like, okay, how each day is going to be perfect or not perfect. We don't know because it's life, and it's just going to be the try. Like if you can be consistent, be forgiving, and do something which you really want to get done, really you want to get done, then only you'll do it, no? Otherwise, how you will get it done? You tell me. Okay, so I want to ask you, are you in or not? If you are in and you want more details, you want to get connected with me, you want to fill the form, you want to reach me, whatever the way is there, and ask me, Geeta, can you give me the challenge information, and can you give me the challenge tracker? Because if you decide it, you can do it, and much more easily than you have ever thought. If you track it, you're going to feel so much great. You're going to be feeling, oh my God, I'm doing so many things. And then if you are going to be kind with yourself, then you're going to actually do so much more. You're going to do so much more because you're going to be just kind with yourself. So I would like to just say that get in touch and get started with this challenge. And what did I do? What did I do yesterday? Was the first day which I had declared, and I was able to finish my 30 minutes walk in the morning. Also, I had done 20 minutes of the strength training, and literally when I was doing the strength training, I was sweating. And the 30 minutes walk was not just the walk, it was on the green grass, 30 minutes barefoot walk, which is always good for stress relieving and always good for your whole body. And it was earlier, so it was, the grass was all wet, and it was beautiful experience. Also, I did the sun gazing. I did so many things, which all the things which we decided on the challenge, all of them was done. Only one thing I would say, I ate the last thing at around 7:30, so it was not 7 o'clock, it was 7:30. So that was the only one thing. And about the healthy thing, like yesterday everything else was fine, but I think I had like this much kind of a bhujia, the safe. So that with the makhana I had it, so maybe that thing was not that healthy because it was from the package. So that mistake I did. So that was one thing, but everything else which we decided, everything went well. I have made this tracker kind of a thing. I have, you see here, like I have all my prayers here. Then I have the tracker things are here. So on this I'm writing my gratitudes, I'm writing, and also I'm writing about my emotions. So this thing, writing the gratitude and emotions, I'm doing at the night time, and at the night time is working out so well for me. So that's what I would say. And I'm just planning also a little bit here, and then going through the things doing, because until and unless like you're not having the habit of doing it, you don't know like if you're doing everything. And one more thing helped me. So I have the tracker right now on my board also, and which I have created as a PDF for all of you, so that you can get it printed for each week. And every 21 days there's a reflection, and every at the end also there is a reflection. So that tracker and how to do this challenge efficiently, the guide, both of things are present. And it just like you need to get in touch with me to know more about this, so that I can give you the details. But this simple book is like helping me. And this pen, maybe I don't know how long it is going to stay, but I'm writing with this pen like it is, oh my god, my hand is paining just to write one page also, but I'm writing. So many things, new things I'm doing. And tomorrow I want to tell you, actually just in last 2 3 days, like like tomorrow I don't know, but yesterday and today, literally I have done so many things first time. Literally I have learned something new. I have done so many things first time. I created some experiences first time, just because I was intentional. And I want to know from you what experiences you are creating intentionally. Just share with us. I would love to know this. And I will be coming up with another life, and I'll see you soon. And I'm going to share all the excitement of these 2 days and the new learnings. And also, if any topic which you think you want to learn, you can always tell me, Geeta, can you talk about this? Can you talk about this? Any new initiative which I'm doing, I'll share with you, and we will talk soon. So with that, bye bye, take care, and get started as soon as possible on the 75 days journey. I'm waiting for you here. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. See you then.